guys, how are you? I hope that all of you are well aware about what computers are and how they work it. Now, let us go through some details about certain subjects of study like network and security. HTML, MS Access, tables in MS Word, mail merge, MS Excel conditional formatting and function in MS Excel. Chapter 1 Network and Security. Students, to begin with, let us have a brief discussion about network and security. Today, the digital world around us undergoing vast change day by day. I suppose that all are known that telecommunication network is used to communication through phones. This lesson includes these objectives: familiarizing with different computers networks, networking protocols and computer malware. Computer network. A network is a group of two or more computer systems linked together through cables, telephone lines, radio waves and satellites or infrared light beams. We can share information and resources very easily through them. Internet is the biggest network of computer. The Advanced Research Project Agency Network ARPANET was the early computer network introduced by the US Defense Department in 1969. Children, now we are going to discuss about the different types of the computer network. Children, can you guess it? Generally, used network types are PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN. What are the purpose of the network? I will explain it. Listen. PAN, Personal Area Network. It is used for communication among computers and computerized devices. Both wired and wireless connection can be used and for covers distance of less than 10 meters. LAN, Local Area Network. It is a computer network covering a small physical areas such as home, office, school, airport, hospital, etc. It covers different locations in your school can be connected to each other through network. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. It is a large computer network which spans an entire city or large campus. WAN, Wide Area Network. It is the spans a wide geographical area such as cities, countries, continents or even the whole world. WANs may be transmit data over high-speed phone lines or wireless links such as a satellite to cover long distances. The world's most popular WAN is Internet. Now, we learn about the different types of computer network. And now, what is the difference between Internet and Intranet? Children, do you know? Internet is a global system of interconnected computer network. Network of the Internet are linked by copper wires, fiber optical cables, wireless connections and other technologies. It carries a vast amount of information resources and services like email, online chatting, e-education, teleconferencing, file sharing, etc. Intranet. Intranet is a private network that belongs to an organization and is designed to be accessible only by the members of an organization. Companies use intranet to share files and utilize websites. Children, are you ready to go through the next part about what is a protocol? Network protocol is a set of rules which is used by computer to communicate with each other across a network. Protocols specify interaction between the communication entities. TCP or IP, HTTP, FTP are some protocols used in networks. TCP or IP, Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol, is the most important computer network protocol. TCP is used along with the IP to send data over the internet, specify how data should be informated, addresses transmitted, routed and received at the destinations. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is used between a web server and web browser of transferring hypertext markup language. HTML pages. FTP, File Transfer Protocol, is used to transfer a file or portion of a file from one system to another under the commands of the FTP users. Typically, FTP is used to interactively by an online users. There are some advantages of computer networking. File sharing. The major advantage of computer network is that it allows file sharing and remote file access. It saves the time which is wasted in copying a file from one system to another. Resource sharing. All computers in a network can share resources such as printer, scanner, modem, etc. Ease of communication. Computer networking technology has improved the way of communications. Computer network allows people to communicate through email. This makes the transmission of information easier and less expensive. Learn in this chapter. Let us discuss how to connect internet. That is, internet services provided, software and hardware required, configuring internet connection, etc. Requirements for use internet connection. To connect the internet, you need the following four things: personal computer, telephone line, modem, internet connection. What do we need to get connected with the internet? Thus, things work together in the following works. The computer is essential. The primary requirement for an internet connection is a personal computer with a modem. The modem is an electronic device which modulated and demodulated the message signals. Modem means MO, modulation, plus DEM, demodulation. Telephone connection. Wireless or wireless is another requirement for internet connection. The information passes through the telephone line, which is connected to the modem. ISP, Internet Service Provider, is a company internet provider services. Then next is network and security. What do you mean by network security? How does network security work? Network refers to any undertaking designed to protect the network. It is essential to protect a network and resource from unauthorized access to prevent data or information thefts. Computer security is that the threat comes from a vast group of malicious hackers. Next, computer malware. Malware is the short form of malicious software. It is a type of destructive software program that can reproduce itself and spread from one computer to another. It becomes installed on a computer without the knowledge of the person using the computer. Malware includes computer viruses, worms, Trojan, horses, adware and any other malicious software. In today life, all types of computer malware are commonly called as computer virus. However, there is a difference depends in the manner they behave. Let's learn common types of malware. Virus. A computer virus is a computer program that can reproduce itself and spread from one computer to another. Viruses are spread through internet and email messages. They also spread when people share infected pen drives and other portable media. Then, Trojan horses. Trojan horses is a computer program that is hiding a virus or other potentially damaging program. Then, worm. Worm is a type of virus that can spread without human interaction. There are ways malware attack a computer system. The most potential and vulnerable threat to a computer is the virus attack. The major sources of virus attacks are listed below. Copying files from virus-infected CDs or pen drives. Downloading virus-infected file from internet. Then downloading virus-infected email attachment. Sharing a virus-infected file through a computer network. Antivirus software. It is a program which can detect, prevent and clean up computer virus. This may attempt to infect your computer system. It can scan downloaded files as well as your entire computer system in order to detect the presence of an infect. To prevent the most current viruses, you must update your antivirus software regularly. How to avoid computer viruses? A virus can destroy your computer completely. The following information will help you to prevent computer viruses from invading your computer. Use an antivirus software and update it on a regular basis. Make sure that system firewall is on. Do not download pirated software, movies, songs, games, etc. Do not visit unauthorized websites. Scan email attachment before downloading. Scan CDs, pen drives, etc. before running or copyright file or programs. Then last one, use original operating system.